Okay, students, this is a little bit of a challenge building off of what we did yesterday with similar triangles. This is on the back side of your proof worksheet, so flip it over and pause this video if you haven't tried it, and go ahead and try number 27 and see what you can do with it. I'm asking you to name the similar triangles. Notice that there are 3 triangles in the picture, and I can tell you that the 2 next to each other are not going to be similar. So you've got to look for one triangle inside of another one, or overlapping triangles. Go ahead and give it a try. Okay, maybe you were successful, maybe you weren't. Let me see if I can help you with this one. I'm going to redraw triangles here, because I'm going to take triangle LMK, and I'm just going to redraw that underneath here. M is going to stay there. I'm going to keep it oriented exactly the same way, which means that this side is 6, and then the entire side is 9 MK, because we had the 5 and the 4 as the 2 parts. And then I'm going to take this triangle, and I'm noticing that they both have angle K, but I want to match that up orientation-wise, so I'm going to reflect it across NK and then rotate it just a tad. So it's going to end up something like this. K is still going to be here, but N is going to be up here, and L is going to be there. So that's going to be a 6 down here, and that's going to be a 4. So those 2 triangles have a congruent angle pair because that was a shared angle. And then if I make ratios between the 2 sides, LK over NK is 6 over 4. MK over LK, which are corresponding sides, is 9 over 6. And the question is, are those congruent? And if I do a quick reducing, 3/2 is equal to 3/2. So I'm going to say yes. By side angle side, I have similar triangles, and I actually asked you to name them. So my similarity statement would be triangle MLK is similar to triangle LNK if I'm matching up my corresponding parts. Those should make you think 28 and 29 are similar. Go ahead and give those a try and see what you can do with your groups.